The future of the trucking industry is full of uncertainty. Autonomous vehicles, environmental sustainability, safety and insurability, changing economics and global and national regional markets. The only thing we know for certain is that whatever the future has in store for us, the trucking industry will be essential to making it happen and keep it moving. But keeping up and getting ahead isn't easy in this competitive industry. The largest fleets, manufacturers, suppliers, and service networks take advantage of their purchasing power and take care of each other. They use technology to gain an edge that makes it even harder for the rest of us to stay on pace. The rest of us need the kinds of tools that can help us get ahead by working together and taking care of each other. Technology is supposed to make our jobs easier, but far too often, the tools that claim to make life simple end up being too hard to set up, too hard to use, and too hard to afford. Until now, the biggest fleets, manufacturers, and repair networks have had an advantage over the rest of us. When you've got more people, more power, and more money, the job really is easier. But FleetPal Connect thinks that growing fleets and independent repair shops deserve tools that level the playing field. That's why we're building the next generation of fleet maintenance software. We're building it with you in mind, and we want you to be part of it. Sign up to be a beta tester now, and you'll get free access to the current version of the FleetPal Connect platform. Get started today, and before you know it, you'll be miles ahead of the competition.